Hello, welcome back to my channel. First off, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to show you one of my collection. As usual, I have a case. Here's the code 934J, which is a Forza Motorsport set. Let's take a look. As you can see here, all 10 cars. Let me take the car number 1, Morris Mini. Fantastic. Forza Motorsport on the top, the front, number 1 on the side, and the rear with GB indicate Great Britain. Forza Motorsport. This is car number 1. Put it here. With 2 in the case. So what we are going to see is there are 5 cars here. This is one of the most popular, as well as a BMW 2002. So let's take a look at the rest of the car. Car number 2, AMC Rebel Machine. Take a closer look. Goodyear brand on the tire. Nice little detail. The Forza Motorsport logo on the side. Here. So Goodyear. The front, the hood, the roof, and the back. This car have a very nice red color. Look much better in person. So car number 2. Two in the case, as usual. So what's up? Car number 3, BMW 202. Closer look. Good wheel tire. Look there. Now you have some detail. XBOX Forza logo and the hood. The front, if you look closer, there's a 202 at the bottom here. Look at that, very nice detail. The back, the BMW logo, very nice. This is car number 3. Another BMW. So where are we now? We are at the car number 4, which is, yes, Nissan Silvia S15. Scalper around the world are holding on this so they can resell a higher price, at least double. 6-spoke wheel, Forza logo in the front engine hood, export word here, you can see, and the back. Very nice detail. this Nissan Silvia S15, car number 4 in the case. And luckily that we have 2 apiece, so you can open one if you buy the whole case. The last car will be Lamborghini Huracan LP 6104, car number 5. Look at those details, very nice. The Huracan front, maybe you cannot see clearly, but you have to see yourself that this car is really nicely done. At the back, and also the XBOX here. Let's see the logo Forza, nice one, and 2 in a case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see that, and 5. Let's take a look again. Morris Mini, do you like it? Let me know in the comment. AMC Rebel Machine. Oh, BMW 2002. Oh, JDM Lobos, Nissan Silvia S15. And lastly, European supercar Lamborghini Huracan LP 6104. Let me know in the comment. And thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.